This is the fifth video series of Entity Framework. In this video, we are continue to work with related data by adding and deleting relationship and by adding a new entity that has relationship to an existing entity. I have an image to show you. We are building a page similar like this one. We are adding a course that are assigned to department. A department already exists when we create a new course. At the same time, we will establish a relationship between it and existing department. We are also creating a page similar like this one. So we create a page that work with many-to-many relationship by assigning an instructor to a course or removing an instructor from a course. In database, adding a relationship between instructor and course result in a new row being added to a course instructor association table. Removing a relationship involves a deleting a row from the course instructor association table. However, you do this in Entity Framework by setting a navigation property without referring to the course instructor table. So let's move on and start the coding. First, I need to add one page. Using master page. Let's say course 8 page. Let's switch to the source mode, and I have code here. Let me paste it and I will explain you. So here first it's a entity data source, and here entity set name is course, and I enable insert is true and also enable delete is true. You can watch my previous video if you are not familiar with this property or entity data source. Also, this is just a details view, so I can show details, and it has a course ID, title, and credit and department, and also it has a insert item table. So let me show you in design view what it looks like. Here you can see I have a user interface with entity data source, and ID, title, credits, and department, and insert and cancel. Let's open a CSS file. Here I want to create one variable. Create one int method. So I can hold a reference for a control. Next thing I want to do here, I want to add a handler for inserting event. Now we can go ahead and run this page. Let's add one ID. Let's say new course. Let's say KV4. So on this course page, and just show you the value we just entered. Here you can see department is engineering, 121 new course we just entered this course. So let's move on. Let's click in our model. Here you can see our course entity and person entity. So the relationship between course entity and person entity is many to many relationship. Course entity has the navigation property people that contain one or more related entity. Here our people entity in navigation property, and this entity contain more related entity. So person entity has a navigation property named course that contain one or more related course entity. Course entity and contain more related entity. So one instructor might teach a multiple course, and one course might be taught by multiple instructors. In this section, we will add and remove relationship between person and course entity by updating navigation property of related entity. Let's create a new page first. I need one data source. here the first name. Set some property. Photo first back is equal to true. The text is change. Down this book. I want to set some property. I need one label. First, I need one button control here. That's all button is needed. Just a sample button. need one drop down list box here. Let's set some property. Data text field title ID. Also I need one button here. Let's remove work button. Remove. And finally I need one label. Remove label. Set visible property here equal to false by default. Let's move on and open CSV file. Here I want to create a method for a drop down list box that display a course. Let's do it. Now create another variable called instructor ID. I need to convert int I need an instructor drop down list box. Selected value. Let's create another variable called instructor. Write a query for that. Equal root course entity. I want to create a course entity. Where ID equal to instructor ID and let be first. And I want to create another variable called assign courses, and I need a instructor ID, instructor course. Also I need a list for that. Create another variable called unassign course equal course here. First assign course, insert new variable. We need a list for that. Now we are ready. First we need an assigned course drop down list box, and we need a data source. Here. And we need unassigned course. I want to assign unassigned course. Let's find the data. Also we need assign drop down list box, and we need a data source, and we need an assigned course here, and just find the data. Let's add a method or a click assign button. ID. Convert to int, and we need instructor drop down list dot selected value, so we can get our instructor ID, and we need instructor, so let's write a query. Then from where person ID is equal to instructor ID, and select D dot first. And create another variable called course ID. So I need to convert it. We need a unsigned drop down list box to select it value. changes. And we need to also call this method let drop down list we just defined above. Let's say also we need of course assign label button. This one. Next. Successful. And here get in the case of we got an error and we can say unsuccessful. If all things are goes well, then label. First I need to label true. By default this label property is false, so I set here true. Let me explain of course. Actually here we are storing an instructor ID for a selected instructor, and here we get a person entity for a selected instructor, and here we are storing a course ID for selected course, and here we can get a course entity for a selected course, and here add the selected course to the course navigation property of instructor person entity, and here just we are saving a value in database, and here we are calling our method, and so we can repopulate a drop down list box and can show a result immediately, and here just display a message in label, and here just set a visible property is true. Let's write a method for remove button. First I need a instructor ID for a selected instructor. So instructor drop down box. Now I need a entity for a selected instructor. Person entity for a selected instructor. So let's say where is equal to instructor ID now I need a course ID for selected course. now I need a course entity for selected course. And also I need the course I want to remove. Also, I want to remove a selected course from a person entity course navigation property. So I need for each course. Then course to remove is I need a try fetch block here. There. And also we need to call a method. It is the method populate drop down scope. And we need label say remove successful, and in the case of we have error, then remove successful. And here I just pick the set of property equal to visible property visible. By default visible property is also, that's fine. Let's go in our page load post visible and visible property false. And also here we have this two method just want to work put down this box, and also doing same thing for this data bound. Now we can go ahead and run this application. Here list of our instructor, and here list of all courses, and here a list of courses that are taught by this instructor. So let's add first. I want to add a physics, assign successful, and here you can see we get this. Let's add another. Let's say I want to add new courses. So here you can see now new course is added. So let's remove a course. I want to remove these new courses. Here you can see there are no new courses, so I want to remove from here, remove successful. Here now only chemistry and physics available. Here you can see now new courses are displayed. Thanks for watching this video.